to all my dear parents, teachers, and tiny tots. Congratulations to all my beloved 176 students who are being graduated today. It's a process of transformation from a kid to a child. Even though you are unable to attend the class this year regularly, I hope you have grown much through your virtual classes and through all other competitions, celebrations, and activities you had virtually. I hope your innocence, smartness, your energy, enthusiasm, knowledge, and wisdom will increase as the days go by. I also want to congratulate all my beloved parents and dear teachers who work tirelessly behind their growth. Once again, congratulating each and every one of you. Thank you. May God bless you.
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? I gotta sing out loud and say that it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. Yes, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. I'd like to share it with you. I wanna share it with you. Yeah!
We all are so proud of you, my dear children. I wish you all the best. Love you so much.
Good morning, one and all. I am Mrs. Shilpa Sunil, one of the class teachers of UKGB. I take this opportunity to call my dear students. RF Kanambura, a very smart, loving and a soft-spoken child. Abhay G. Nair, he is a very enthusiastic young champ. Adriel Shijoy David, a very punctual boy who finishes all his work on time. A pleasant and a very attentive boy is Advik KP. A very modest lad of UKGB, it is our dear Advait Ranjit. Aldia Teresa Gino, a very casual and a charming girl. Alison Joseph Tindu, he is a very broad-minded guy who is very clear in his thoughts. A very obedient and a calm girl, it's none other than our dear Amaya Nixon. She is the most compassionate person of our class. Her name is Ananda Lakshmi V.S. Andrea Maria Jiju, a well-determined and a generous kid. He is a very conservative dude. He is Angel George. A very exuberant and loving child. She is Anlia Sibin. Astrin Elias Raju, a dynamic kid with full of enthusiasm. Bhavyami Anu, she has a very fanatic persona. Bilshan KB, a very cool guy of UKGB. Chris Anthony Bibin, a confident boy with a dashing personality. A very pompous child who likes to be pampered all the time. He is our very own Devasurya Payapat. Diya Vinod, she is a very cheerful girl who is always amused. Elvio Ferno Shaju, a very dedicated and a calm and quiet child. An easygoing guy of UKGB, he is Enosh Rickson. Esther Rose Fibin, she is a feisty queen of UKGB. The gorgeous beauty of UKGB, she is Eva Maria Joshi. Evelyn Blessed Fiju, a very fascinated and a lively child of our class. The boy with full of confidence and charm is our very own Haniel Praveen. Honey Rose Anto, a fashionable diva of UKGB. A formal girl with a gregarious look is our Isabel Austin. She is strong and snuggly. She is our Isabel Lijo. John Gio, a gentle guy who steals our heart with his innocence. An artistic child with a lot of creative talents is Akani Jidesh. Kiran CS, a very happy, at the same time a bit mischievous. A mixture of sweet and sour is our Maria Grace. Michelle Phoebe, a very patient and a devoted girl who likes to give her 100%. A charming girl who is talented but at the same time very imaginative is Megha Rose. Mohammad Nasif, a very natural and an earnest boy. An energetic kid with a bold character is our dear Muhammad Rayan. Nihal Krishna, he is a quiet guy with a good sense of humor. He is a rough and tough boy of UKGB. He is our Ralph John Coonan. Samira Sunil, a very charming, cheerful and a confident girl. Shaz CS, a boy with full of simplicity who always wears a smile on his face. A joyfully happy kid is our Siando Siju. An easygoing guy, at the same time he is smart also. He is our Siddharth Menon. Srinandan S. Pillai, an academically perfect boy in all means. A generous and a fashionable kid with some artistic touch is our Steve Savio Sino. Zanna Maria Paulos, a gorgeous girl with a fantastic smile. Congratulations to all my dear loving kids. Today, I am grateful to my kids for being persistent, for being affectionate and connected, for being assertive, for being energetic and joyful, for communicating their needs, and last but not the least, for being expressive and confident. Even though it was a tough year for all of us, but we still managed to meet each other through live sessions. It was a very good experience for me to teach you and be a part of you. You will always be remembered and missed. May God Almighty shower all His blessings upon you always. We love you a lot and will miss you a lot. Now, let me take this opportunity to call my dear colleague of mine, Mrs. Asna Babu, to share her experience with our students. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Asna Babu, one of the class teachers of UKGB. Today, our students have graduated from kindergarten, and this indeed is a very special day in their life. So, congratulations to my dear tiny tots. It was such an awesome being with you and teaching you all. Today, as we honor our kids, we know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving their goal. They have learned so much and have grown in many ways. My dear children, we are proud of you and thank you for your love and hard work. Dear parents, I wholeheartedly thank you for your kind cooperation. Our online classes would not have been a success without your cooperation. So thank you, parents. At last, once again, let me say congratulations to all my dear kids. May God shower all His blessings upon you. Thank you.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, I'm Evelyn Bliss Fidjo. On behalf of all UKG students, I would like to thank our dear principal, Reverend Father Jose Kidayan, and all my dear teachers for caring and supporting us. Dear teachers, we will always be grateful for your love. I thank God for giving us wonderful teachers like you to guide us during our first step of education. Thank you.